I'm Anna from the Arty Crafty Place. We really hope all of you are well and staying safe, and if you're not, for a speedy recovery. It's unfortunate that all our shows at the moment have a very kind of uncertain future, whether we're going to attend them or not this year. So actually this week what we're going to do is keep us busy and hopefully keep some of you busy as well, with some new kits and some new printing things that we've got here. So we've got a couple of new afternoon tea sets. These are great for Mother's Day. We've got the teapot one here. All of these are really, really inexpensive, and in all three you get a tea towel, a paint, a block and a sponge. So we've got a teapot, which is like this here, really, really simple, really nice to do repeat designs. We've also got a jug, which we've got in a turquoise blue, and a cupcake, which is really, really funky, and we've got that in the bright pink. We're also doing a special on the set altogether. So with that one you get 5 tea towels, 3 colours, all 3 of the blocks, and actually a little printing star as well, which makes a really nice infill. And we're going to just give you some quick tips on how to print with all 4 designs on one all over piece of fabric. We really like it when you get the designs close together. You can see at the top there, we like to do it so you've got little ones in between. And the great thing about this set is you've got a few different size blocks. They work really well to fit in with each other. And all we do is, like we always do with printing, start off with a sponge, tap off that excess paint, really lightly tap onto the block. Always have your foam mat underneath, that's really, really important, and just pop it down and lift up. Now when you're doing an all over design like this, you can actually print quite a few of the same block at the same time and then fill in as you go. So rather than changing blocks each time, it's just do a few of the cupcake, for example. And then I always find getting the bigger block and filling those in, like so. And then what we do with the little star, which is really nice, is you can use that one at the end just to go in between all the gaps. And we're using all 3 colours for the star.